My name is Rodney. I'm from Matrix Audiovisual Design. I want to show how to connect UC-BX31-T and set it up. I already have the package that comes with the Jabra soundbar with the camera, the UC-PR presentation transmitter, and UC engine with the USB converter. Also the touch panel TS1070 of Crestron. The most important thing is you need to use the UC-PR power supply provided inside the box that is 6 amperes. I'm gonna start connecting them. So the UC-PR is connected to the power already. I'm gonna use Cat6 shielded cable connecting to RJ45 port, LAN port, and connected to the HD converter RX in. Also, I already prepared 2 network cable. I will connect the UC-PR and the UC engine to my internal network. And also the Jabra has USB connection. I will connect it to cam in USB connection. You can provide any camera or any microphone using the USB hub connector in here. The UC engine will recognize the camera and the microphone. And the touch panel will connect to PoE port on UC-PR. I will turn on my network switch so this will recognize the IP. To set up the UC touch panel, I need to log into the web page or GUI page of the touch panel. I'll put the IP address. If you're connecting for first time, you will get putting a username and 2-time password, but since I already did it, I'm gonna just log in. After opening the first page, you need to go to setting. On the bottom, you will find the application section. You have to put the IP address of the UC engine. Also, you don't need to touch the PC port. The username is admin and the password is SFB, Sam Factory Bob, and then click save. By this, it will reboot the device and the touch panel will recognize the system.